Which of the following is essentially a solo dance? A. Manipuri. B. Mohiniyattam. C. Kathak. D. Kuchipudi. Correct answer is Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is traditionally a solo dance mainly performed by a female dancer. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance of India that developed and remained popular in Kerala. Mohiniyattam gets its name from the word Mohini, an incarnation of the god Vishnu. The evidence of Mohiniyattam-like dance tradition is found in temple sculpture of Kerala. In which dance do the performers wear a cylindrical skirt named Pothloi? A. Kathak. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Kuchipudi. D. Manipuri. Correct answer is Manipuri. Manipuri dance is also known as Jagoi. It is one of the major Indian classical dance form, named after the region of its origin Manipur. It is particularly known for its Hindu Vaishnavism themes and love-inspired dance drama of Radha Krishna called Ras Leela. With which dance form is the noted dancer Guru Rajkumar Singhajit Singh associated? A. Odissi. B. Kathakali. C. Kathak. D. Manipuri. Correct answer is Manipuri. Rajkumar Singhajit Singh is a doyer of Manipuri dance who is also a teacher, performer and choreographer. His choreography has been enriched by elements incorporated for various forms of performing arts of Manipur such as Thangta, Nata Sankirtana, Lei Haroba and Ras Leela. He was awarded the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 1984 and Padma Shri in 1986 for his contribution to the Manipur dance. Which of the following states is related to the classical dance form Odissi? A. Kerala. B. Odisha. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Bihar. Correct answer is Odisha. Odissi is a major ancient Indian classical dance that originated in the Hindu temple of Odisha. Odissi was performed predominantly by women and express religious stories and ideas of Vaishnavism. Vishnu as Jagannath, Odissi artists are Kelucharan Mohapatra, Ratikant Mohapatra, Sujata Mohapatra. Bihu dance is the folk dance of which of the following Indian state? A. Assam. B. Odisha. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Haryana. Correct answer is Assam. Bihu dance is the folk dance of Assam. The dance form, Charhi, has originated from the state of A. Mizoram. B. Bihar. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. West Bengal. Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. The dance form, Charhi, was originated from Himachal Pradesh. Dhalo is a popular religious folk dance of A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Goa. C. Manipur. D. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is Goa. Dhalo is a popular religious folk dance of Goa. Damhal dance form belongs to which Indian state union territory? A. Chandigarh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Punjab. D. Haryana. Correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Damhal folk dance is mainly associated with the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Kalbelia folk songs and dances belong to which Indian state? A. Rajasthan. B. Maharashtra. C. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Rajasthan. Famous folk dances Kalbelia, Ghumar, Panihari are belong to Rajasthan. Kuchipudi is the classical dance form of the Southeast Indian state. A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the classical dance of the Southeast Indian state Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is one of 8 major classical dance of India. It is a dance drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra. It is named after Kuchipudi village in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. Pulikkali, which was celebrated in 2017, is a folk dance form of which state of India? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Kerala. C. West Bengal. D. Odisha. Correct answer is Kerala. Pulikkali is a recreational folk art form the state of Kerala. It is performed by trained artists to entertain people on the occasion of Onam, an annual harvest festival, celebrated in Kerala. Its costume is tiger-painted dress and musical instrument is udukku. Pulikkali was founded in 1886. Who among the following artists is not a painter? A. Jamini Roy. B. Rukmini Devi. C. Amrita Shergill. D. Nandlal Bose. Correct answer is Rukmini Devi. Rukmini Devi Arundle, 1904 to 1986, is the renowned Bharatnatyam dancer, whereas Nandlal Bose, Amrita Shergill and Jamini Roy are renowned painters of India. Famous classical dancer Shobhana Narayan is related to which dance form? A. Bharatnatyam. B. Kuchipudi. C. Kathak. D. Khatkali. Correct answer is Kathak. Shobhana Narayan is a recognized Kathak dancer of India. Cholia dance form is associated with state. A. Haryana. B. Uttarakhand. C. Bihar. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Cholia is a dance form practiced in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand. It is basically a sword dance accompanying a marriage procession. This form of dance is very famous in the region Bageshwar, Kumaon, Pithogarh, Almora and Champawat. With which dance form is the noted dancer Pratibha Prahlad associated? A. Bharatha Natyam. B. Kathkali. C. Kathak. D. Odissi. Correct answer is Bharatnatyam. Pratibha Prahlad is a Bharatanatyam dancer, educator, choreographer, art administrator, and author. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.